Hello, today I'm going to show you how to turn down volume on the Apple Watch. So today in front of me is Apple Watch SE first generation, and it really doesn't matter which Apple Watch you have, it is all going to work the same on the all Apple Watches. So what you want to do is to press the digital crown to go to the settings. Now when you have the app menu view, just click on the settings icon, which is right this, and now you want to go down a little bit by using the crown or just the screen, and go to sounds and haptics. And now, as you can see, you can adjust the volume. You can just click on these icons or just click and use the digital crown to adjust the volume. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye!